Hello and welcome to a very short vlog. I'm going to put this out, you'll be seeing this probably Sunday evening as a special. It's only going to be a very short one. As you can see, I'm out in the woods, but I'm not alone. On Wednesday, bearing in mind today's Saturday, so you'll be seeing this tomorrow, which is now, but on Wednesday, which is when you'll be seeing the next video, which will be Wednesday, I'll be 50. It's my 50th birthday. I'm not a big birthday celebration person. Can't be doing all that flaff for no reason. It's just another year older and another bit of wisdom. But yeah, I'm 50, so it's quite a big one. So I was hoping to do something a bit different. Last night I got a massive surprise. Got a big bang on the door. Quickly pulled my trousers back on and...
Surprise!
Yeah, what are you doing here?
You alright?
We come for a big boys weekend. We come for a sleepover.
It's nice that you're dressed up.
Get your ass in here then.
Do you?
She's got the camera on now.
Alright?
That's something to do with you. Come on in. I got these two standing at the back door. All arranged by the good Mrs. C, who's not with us today. She's at home, I think, arranging something else, and I'm sure these two know something that I don't, but there's something going on, I'm sure. It could even be just cake, but yeah, tonight I'm going to be doing a vlog. Well, it's going to be 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to be doing a vlog for you, which you'll be seeing Wednesday. So yeah, I'm going to do this a short one. Just a thanks to these guys for turning up, because it was absolutely brilliant. We had a little boys sleepover, or big boys sleepover, or no, little boy sleepover. Owen's got one hell of a mattress. I've got to say, it was bigger than my sofa. Took up the whole living room, but yeah, it was good to have them last night. It was a good thing. We came out this morning. I brought them up to, did he call this Buckley Hill? Can't remember what they call this. I know it as Raw Head, but Raw Head's over that side. I think this is Buckley Hill. Not Buckley Hill, something like Buckley Hill or Buckley's Hill, which is very close to Raw Head. We just had a walk around the woodland, just having a bit of chilling out, a bit of a chat, talking apertures and shutter frame rates and all the other things related to cameras that we do every single time we're together. So they're not really mates, we just talk crap for cameras. But yeah, no, it's been really good. It's been quite chilled out. We'll come across this tree. So it's not all loss. We have actually got our cameras with us in the hope to find something. And I've come across this tree. I've shot trees in the woods here before. I'll flick up a few pictures while I'm talking of a couple of trees I've actually shot in these woods before, back before I started vlogging. But yeah, this is what stopped me in my tracks. I like this tree. I like the look of it. I like the little hole in the top. Got my phone out, had a look on the phone. I thought, yeah, this works. This deserves a camera and a tripod, I think. So I've already taken the images and then decided to talk to you. So I thought I'd bring you along now and show you what it was I was doing. And we're getting these short, sharp shots of rain every so often, so the camera's covered up at the moment. But yeah, I've shot the image straight on, as you can see here. And to me, the little circle in the top there, there's a tree behind it. And the tree behind it's in exactly a straight line. When you see the image, you'll know exactly what I mean. But to me, it looks like an eye. And it's almost like the eye in the forest that's staring back at us. So I'm looking at the tree and the woodland's actually looking back. This is definitely the eye in the forest. And I'll point it out on the photo. You will see what I mean. But yeah, I just love this tree. It's separated from the background a little bit because there's no trees directly behind it, or not, you know, touching it, let's put it that way. So there is a little bit of separation, and you've got this nice separation and these lovely mosses and ferns down here in the foreground. So yeah, I've taken a couple slightly wider with a bit of a lead in, and I've also shot up a bit closer. And I'm also shooting, and that was in a vertical composition, so it's literally just working on the tree. I'm going to show you this one while we're here, and that's been covering me my polarizer up. So let's go back onto live view. I've got it set up now in horizontal mode, and this is purely so that I can get a little bit more of a wider screen. I can't get my live view on. There we go, the live view's on. So again, now I've lost the eye. The circle's still there, but the eye's not there, and you'll see the difference between the vertical and horizontal shot, and I will show you them both. This one I like this because it's off onto the left hand thirds. Put the tree on the thirds, got this nice foreground with the new growth of the ferns and everything, and then we've got a little bit of separation with the slightly lighter greens in the background. The polarizer is making a great deal of difference. If I can bring the camera closer, if you can see the polarizer moving there, you can see the difference it makes. Because all these leaves are wet, it really is popping out the greens, something chronic. It really is nice. So yeah, beautiful little images. I'm going to take another one now just while I'm talking. Polarizer's on full. F9 with a little bit of depth of field in it. I might actually try one. Let's wind it down. Let's go down to 5.6. Let's just make a slightly shallower depth of field. Balance the histogram so the whites aren't clipping. Just check my polarizer. Yeah, let's shoot at 5.6. Focus on the tree. That's giving me 1/4 of a second, and that's about 1/3 underexposed. There's a tiny few little white spots which I might actually clone out in the middle of the shot. If you can see on the screen there's a couple of little white bits just there where the light's shining through the tree, so I might just clone them out to take your eye away from them. But yeah, lovely little shot, nice little tree, and there's one just here as well. And like I say, I'm going to make this a short one. I'm not going to keep rambling on. The other one's this one. Look at that for a tree. So if I can get in a position that separates this one, I think Owen's just been shooting through the tree and actually using the leading line from the branch here.
I was, yeah?
Yeah, so he's using the leading line from the branch to take you around to that tree. So he's done something slightly different. So again, 3 people out and we'll all probably end up with a different image. So yeah, I'm going to try and separate this one, try and get this one in a position I like. Probably more this position, and maybe have the 2 of them in together. Yeah, and I shoot a shot there, and I'll switch off now. I'm going to switch it back on when I've got that set up, just talk you through that one, and then we'll call that quits, see? Make this really short and sweet. So yeah, back in a sec when I've got the camera set up. Right, I've found myself a cameraman, which is really cool. We've got Owen on the camera, which is quite good. You need to follow Owen. I'm going to put some links for Simon and Owen's videos. Owen's just getting into doing some proper video effects, less talking and stuff like that, more video and showing what we're doing, where we're going, and all these trips and adventures. Simon's into a bit of everything, does a bit of vlogging, also does some car shows and stuff like that. Now I'm going to try and remember to speak up because I'm only on the GoPro volume. I'm struggling with this shot. I like the 2 trees together. The 2 trees really work together. They're married together. They just work. They just really look nice. One's leaning in this way, one's leaning in that way, and it really does work good. What I am struggling with is the light behind it in the middle at the top is quite bright, and also the branch that's coming out this side is a bit of bright light that is just white through the trees, and I'm trying to get in a position where I can actually get rid of that. And if I go down, it's more apparent. If I come up, the trees don't quite work together. So I think this is about the best position I'm going to be in. So I'm going to try it, and I might have to do a little bit of cloning, but this works quite well. The polarizer's on again. I've got the polarizer set so it's really strong. Look at this, cameraman and all. Polarizer, yeah, polarizer's on, and I think I've got a couple of water droplets on this, so I might have to give them a wipe. But yeah, not a bad looking little image. I think once I pop the greens out and pull the texture out on the leaves, I think it'll work quite well. We're at about 24mm at the moment, just short of 24. I think I could probably afford to go in a little bit tighter, but they work really well together. I may even find if I take a bit of a step back and just move back a little bit and compress them, which we can try, because you know me, I always like to shoot a few shots. So we go back a little bit and actually compress the photo. Again, yeah, that works. In fact, this works really well. Now I've got rid of that light patch. So I'm going to put the before and after image and show you the difference. One that's got this little light patch you'll see in the top sort of right thirds, and this one it's just eliminated it altogether. So yeah, let's get this set up. Just set up the exposure, f7.1, so we've got a little bit of depth of field to it, and histogram's beautifully balanced in the middle. That's quite a nice little shot. Very simple, very woodlandy. Yeah, and I like that. I really like that. It's really quite nice. So, shall I grab the reins? Finish off my last little bit. I'll grab the reins off and good man. Look at this, proper cameraman. This is, yeah, like I say, they're both doing vlogging now, or videoing, should I say, YouTubing stuff, content creating. That's what they're doing. Simon's over there playing with his Huawei. It is a Huawei, is it?
Samsung.
Oh, it's not a Huawei. No, Owen's got the Huawei. Simon's on the Samsung, so he's playing with his phone. It is wicked. I am definitely changing my iPhone, I think, for either one of them phones, because they are fantastic. You've got this depth of field thing on it, which is absolutely brilliant. Well impressed. No more the days where you need a big full frame camera like this. You can get away with anything, to be honest. So yeah, let's stop the rain getting on top of that. Yeah, let's end it here. Let's say thanks for watching. I know, very short, very sweet, but it is a pre-birthday video. I'm going to do a lot more later on this evening, or first thing in the morning, early morning. I've got a special guest appearance, so yeah, stay tuned for Wednesday's one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, and all that sort of stuff. Check these two guys out as well, because they are going to do